Meaning of elder statesman.
Elder statesman.
Elder statesman.
Elder statesman.
Elder statesman. An elder statesman is a respected and influential political figure who has retired from active politics, but whose experience and wisdom continue to be sought after and valued by current leaders. This term implies a sense of maturity, impartiality, and statesmanship, and is often used to describe individuals who have served in high-level government positions or who have had significant impact on the political landscape. These individuals are seen as sources of guidance and mentorship for younger politicians, and are often called upon to offer their insights and advice on important issues.